Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Look at my face. It's like a light bulb. Okay, let's do an outfit of the day. Before that, I want to show you my earrings. Last night, I was doing earrings about 20, 30 of it. I will show you a little bit later with my earrings at home. But today I want to do an outfit of the day. I just bought this new dress, not dress, new shirt. And let's do it this way or that way. This way should be good, light enough. We will take a look. And I was just thinking, I used to think if I do not get rid of one clothes, I do not have the right to buy a new one. And now I am thinking, why do I? It's very important that I am happy. I do not overbuy, but if I need to buy some, want to buy some, there is nothing wrong with it, right? There are people wasting the whole world in a much larger scale. And for myself, we do care about the world, but we also care about our own happiness, right? Let's do an outfit of the day. Okay, so here is the outfit. Maybe a little bit too dark, you cannot see it clearly. And I bought this new top, and it's a children's top, so you can see it's very, 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 very comfortable. And I was thinking these pants a little bit too dark, almost all the same color. I choose it because it's blue, but a little bit too too bluish, right? And with my little blue bag. And it's very, very comfortable. Very comfortable. And this top is actually stretching. You can see it's woven, ribbed. Yeah, that's the word, ribbed. So it's very, very, very stretching and so very comfortable. Okay, people here, I will just be silly to this degree. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Gulu gulu bye, bye. I think this way you can see it a little bit better under the sunshine. And the pants is cotton, very, very comfortable. A little bit, yeah, this should be good, right? Yes, this should be good. You can tuck it inside also, but not so necessary. that's it. Blue, blue. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Gulu, gulu. Bye, yeah. Bye. Yeah.